Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you on how to download Instagram Reels using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using your Android device, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Instagram app.
Small business.
Choose any Reels that you want to download on your device. Then after that, click on the three little dots at the lower right corner of your screen. Click on the blue text that says see where to share and copy link. So now, you just need to copy the link of this reel, then exit on Instagram app, open any browser that you want, and search for Instagram Reel Downloader. So you can choose any link. I'm just gonna choose the Save Instead app. Okay, so now here just need to paste the URL or the link that you've copied earlier. Click on the download button. So now let me just go ahead and close that. So you want to scroll down until you see the download video button right here. So let's just go ahead and click on that. Click on download. Then here, as you can see, it is now downloading. Okay, so let's just wait for this. Then once it is done downloading, just go ahead and click on that. Click on the share button at the lower left corner of your screen. Now you want to click on save video. Okay, so now let's just go ahead and check on my photos. And as you can see, this is the reel that I've downloaded earlier. Okay, so now that is how you download Instagram Reels on your mobile device. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.